Gotta be good to the puppy. Un besito, mwah, puppy. Oh, you gotta be nice. You can't... Yeah. Oh, poor Sophie's getting tortured. Oh. Okay. You're getting excited. Oh no, you have to be. No. No. Let go. You have to be nice. You say, "Good baby, good baby." Dile, "Good baby." Oh, you can't pull her, baby. Be nice, honey. Be nice, honey. You don't pull. Don't pull the puppy, okay? Be nice. Yeah, she's gonna leave because you're hurting her. I know, Sophie. Say hi, baby. No, you can't pull. You can't pull. You gotta be nice, okay? Yeah, be nice. That's right. Oh. You don't want to do that. You have to pet her like this. Alana, mira, you have to pet her. Because you're hurting the puppy, honey. You have to be nice, okay? I know. You just have to go like this. And that feels better than pulling the hair. Yeah. Just go like this. Go, good girl. I know you're just a year old. You don't understand. But you have to be good to a puppy. You gotta be nice. Yeah. You gotta be nice and be like, I love you. I love you. Oh, look. See, she likes it better. You're so rough. Alana, you're so rough. Why are you so rough with the puppy? No, you gotta be nice. Alana, be nice, honey. You can't be pulling her hair, baby. No, that hurts, honey. That hurts. Okay, that's enough. Go, Sophie. Look, you gotta be nice to the puppy. Okay.